Alright guys, welcome to A Day with Dom. Today I'm doing a quick video on the Zip Knife, Code Knife made by Equalizer. So I'm going to do an unboxing, kind of show you guys what my thoughts are on it. The thing is about these Code Knives is the control and the leverage that you're able to get over the traditional Code Knives. And not only that, you're also able to eliminate all of these, because if you see here we have 3/4, we have a half, we have a 3/8, we have an 1.5 inches, and we have an inch. See, so all of these are actually equivalent to one of these. Okay. Let's open it up here. So with this one knife, you see the construction of it. It's very, very durable, very sturdy, solid steel, and it has an insert here where you only need one of these, and you just keep your knives, your tips, and you just slide them into here. See, I have this one here also. This one's made by Monument, which I believe, I'm not sure, that they were bought out by Equalizer, but it's the exact same knife. You see this? This knife here is about 6 years old. You see it's still in 100% working condition, and this is 6 years running. And I'll show you how this works. So you just take it out of your blade, so you have your different sizes, which is really dirty for some reason, and you just insert it right in there. And then if you need to flip it over, you just pull it out, turn it over, and push it in. Now, it is better to grease this inside of here, not with a lot of grease, just a tiny little bit of like bearing grease or something, just to keep the, there's like spring-loaded little bearings in there that lock onto these guys right here. And you just put a little bit of grease in there every now and then. Like I said, so what I do is I just keep on hand my different tips and different sizes, and I just keep this. I don't need all this. See, so we're going to take all of these and we're going to put them over here. We don't need those anymore. We're just going to use this. So my opinion on the Zip Knife, Code Knife, is I use a lot more upper body strength than my stomach and torso and lower back. It's a lot less straining on the lower abdominal area than with this knife. With these Code Knives, you do use a lot of body weight, but you also strain a lot more, and your wrists and things are a lot more effective. But I noticed with these, you're able to use your shoulders, your back, your chest, your arms, your biceps. You're able to use a lot more of your strength that you want to be using, other than your stomach, your lower back, and your wrists. So, in my opinion, get one of these. I would just keep a couple of those Code Knives, the little handle ones, just in case something happens. But there it is, guys. Go out and get one of these. They're $80-something on, at the glass supplier. Equalizer is like a Migrant supplier, so pretty sure you're familiar with Migrant. All right, guys, thanks for listening.